I'm about to show you the easiest way to create a blog post outline for your SEO-friendly blog posts using an AI tool, and it's only going to take a couple clicks. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah, an SEO consultant and educator for business owners over at mariahmagazine.com. And on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. So in today's video, I'm going to bring you behind the scenes and show you how I use one of my favorite AI tools, RightBlogger, to create blog post outlines that are SEO friendly. This micro tool inside of RightBlogger makes the process so easy that you're going to be able to create a full outline based on a target keyword with just a couple clicks in just a couple minutes. So without further ado, let's kick it into the screen share. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the tool RightBlogger. So if you haven't signed up for an account yet, you can do that at mariahmagazine.com/RightBlogger, and it should redirect you to a sign up page. So just a heads up, I am using a paid account, but at the time of this recording, they do have a free plan that you can sign up for, and you should be able to test out this tool with the free plan. Obviously, there's going to be some limitations, but you might end up loving this tool so much that you decide to upgrade. But let's test it out. So what we're going to do is we can search for tools. So if your screen looks like this, you can pop in our search term right here, or you can search in the top navigation menu. But what we're going to do is type in outline, and then we're going to use the post outline tool. So as you can see here, this is not just my favorite tool, it's a favorite tool across all RightBlogger users because it's so helpful. So you can type in your blog post topic here. I usually like to kick it in with a keyword. So let's pretend that you are an interior designer and you want to create a new blog post about interior design trends for the upcoming year. So we can type in our ideal SEO keywords. And so for this one, we're just going to do interior design trends. And then if you have any other keywords that you want to include or secondary keywords or anything like that, you can pop them in right here. I'm going to leave this blank. And then tone and writing style, I like to keep it on casual because remember, this is an AI tool. And so sometimes it can just be a little more excited than I want it to be. So I'm going to keep it on casual. I'm going to keep my language on English. And then I'm going to click this down arrow here to add more information. So target audience, you can definitely fill this out, and I recommend doing it so that the outline matches the intent of your blog post for the right people. So for this one, I just said that the target audience is homeowners looking to remodel or update their space. And then if you want to give additional instructions in terms of like things to include, things not to include, you can add them right here. If you want this to be very creative, you can move this up more. If you want it to be less creative, you can move it down. I like to keep it right in the middle. And then this is a really good feature. This might only be for paid plans though, so just keep that in mind, but we can add knowledge here. So a really good place to use this is if we want to copy the keyword, we can go to Google and see who's already showing up for this specific keyword. Okay, great, Vogue.com. So we're going to open this up and I'm going to snag this URL, come back to RightBlogger, and I'm going to add it as knowledge so that the tool has an understanding of what kind of content I'm trying to create. So I can paste that in there. The other things that you can add is more information about your business. So your about page URL, if you have a previous blog post, a YouTube video, anything like that, you can upload them right in here into knowledge. But for this example, we're just going to keep it simple. Click add knowledge. And then once it's uploaded here, I'm just going to click the generate button. I'm interrupting this video really quick because I created something super fun and I want to share it with you. It's a free SEO assessment and scorecard so that you can find out how searchable your business is in Google and in AI tools. This free download will help you spot the gaps, make improvements, and start attracting the people already searching for what you offer. Go ahead and snag your free copy over at my website, mariahmagazine.com/scorecard, or I will leave the link to that in the video description box below. And now, after just a couple clicks and a target keyword, we have a full blog post outline that is based on a very specific target keyword. And so these blog post outlines, I will say they are very, very in-depth. So if you see MECE, it's using that kind of framework, and what that stands for is mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. So it's like, for this keyword or for this topic, this blog post outline is like anything that you could have added to this. And so I usually like to run this, and then I will remove sections based on what kind of problem this specific blog post is solving for people, and depending on my business and like who the target audience is. So as you can see, this is a massive outline, and that's why I really like this, because it gives me like a very in-depth overview of all of the ideas of things that I can add, and then I just go through and remove the things that feel like a little too much. But this is such a good starting point and saves you a whole lot of time from creating this massive outline from scratch. But another part that I like right here, that's usually at the bottom of all of the outlines, is this SEO section, which is kind of like a writer's checklist, either for you, or maybe you're sending this outline to somebody on your team, or maybe you outsource to a blog writer. You can send them this and have them create the content with all of these things in mind, which is really helpful. And then it gives you kind of like an exhaustive list of FAQs. I usually don't like to answer all of them within the content. I'll usually pick 3 to 5 if I wanted to add an FAQ section to the blog post. But overall, this is just such a great in-depth outline that you can use to get started. So now when you're thinking about trying to target this keyword, you're just like, I don't know what content to write. This RightBlogger blog post outline tool solves the problem in just a couple clicks. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you guys found this video helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video is helpful, and therefore hopefully pushing it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you have any questions, or you want me to dive into a different tool in RightBlogger, then definitely leave me a comment below this video. I use your comments, your feedback, and your questions to inspire new videos on this channel. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video.